So hi Papu, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing great, brother. Today is Sunday, so I thought interact with you. And after long time, we are having a conversation because we were trying to conversation each other, but that moment it was not possible. But right now we are free, so we will discuss about some interesting topics. So please tell me about yourself, brother. Then we will move on other things. Okay? So please tell me about yourself.
So my name is Pappu Gadi and I am from West Bengal and I have completed my graduation in 2018. After
Mhm.
completion my graduation, I worked in Amazon company as an associate. It's not long, but it was for 8 months. After I quit that job and in 2019, I joined Swiggy for as a delivery boy. And since then, I have been working in Swiggy. So it has been 3 years. I'm in Swiggy company.
Okay, so right now you are working with Swiggy organization, Swiggy company. Am I
Yeah,
right?
Swiggy company.
Okay, great. So, brother, can you tell me why did you quit your job about Amazon? Because Amazon is international brand, international company, and over there we can say you can improve, you can improve your career, and you can learn something over there. Because I heard about Amazon companies like valid company, and this is a foreign company, and who are working with organization, this organization with Amazon organization, definitely those people get a handsome salary, and every year they get a promotion also. So why did you quit your job?
Actually, you can understand what you are trying to say, but it was a Amazon warehouse where
Okay.
I had some problem. Like I had problem in night shift. So in the night shift, when I was going to work, then I faced lots of problem. Like uh, I don't like to work in night shift. So
Okay.
this is the most important cause why I resigned from Amazon. And
Oh,
it's yeah, you can say you just told that Amazon is a great company. It's a worldwide company, and you can grow there, and you can get the handsome salary. So yeah, but I just got a 9,000 as a salary then,
okay.
and there, if we are talking about the improvement and grow, so I couldn't find any growth there. So this is the cause. That's why I resigned that company.
Okay, oh, I see. That's why reason you quit this job. Yeah, but even I heard about even one of my friend. He's working with Amazon company, and when he joined that company, he was as a courier boy, as a delivery boy. Then after that, he took a 3 year experience. Then after 3 years, he got a promotion, and right now he's an assistant of we can say he's arranging a product, and his
Yes,
job right now giving you should deliver that that product in this area and that area like that. So we can say, and right now he's getting a handsome salary also in Amazon company, seriously. So this
yeah,
is
you are
great
right.
thing.
You are right.
Yeah.
But you are talking about the different section.
Hmm.
Courier sections are different, and warehouse is different.
Okay.
Warehouse is
Right.
where items are packing, picking. The seller send their items in the warehouse.
Okay.
This is the warehouse section, and you are talking about the courier section, where item came and then courier boy pick the item and going to the deliver the item to the customer. So these two things are different. And yes,
Oh, I
it's a good thing if your friend worked 3 years
yeah.
and now got a promotion and now he is getting a handsome salary. So it's a great thing.
Yeah. Even when he joined that company, Amazon company. So he was fresher and he was getting a too much problem about courier boy. Like sometime he got a very limited period, and he tried to hurry always. He tried to deliver door to door.
To deliver
So he
the, yes,
struggled too much. But afterward, like after he gained our experience and he learned something, and right now he can easily handle everything. So we can say struggle is very important. Just take a good experience, then definitely those experience will help in future. So by the way, what about
and
your
mhm,
right job? So right now you're doing other job. So how's going? Yeah.
it's good, but on the in terms of market depends. It's not going on well in today's
Okay.
in these days, because we know that Corona, it's now end,
Yeah.
still going on. So
Mhm.
I think these are the cause that we affected our work.
Yeah, right. Even this day everything is shut down. So maybe people are trying to order online. Like if you talk about food, any product, anything, they do a Google and they do online shopping weekends and
And
easily.
yes,
I
yes,
think.
and one more thing. Sorry for interruption. And one
Yeah,
more
please.
thing I would like to share with you that I think here now this is a vast matter.
Okay.
If you say that why your work is not going on well, because I think if a company hired lots of employee here, if we
Okay.
need 10 delivery boys, their
Mhm.
company hire around 40 to 50 delivery boys. So orders
Okay.
are divided all over the delivery boys. So how can we
Yeah, it's
get
not.
the yes, lots of order?
Yes, right. And I heard about also like per boy depend on order. And if you take a that order, you will get a that kind of price depend on your order. Like two
Yes,
order, three order. So this kind of like you will get a price also. You can increase your amount regular basis like 500, 600 daily basis.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so we can say lots of competition and a company hire huge of amount of people. That's why region, we are
yes.
getting a list salary in a Swiggy and deliver boy. We can say
Mhm.
boys. Okay, so are you
That is
feeling
the big
comfortable
problem.
about your job? Are you feeling comfortable? Do you
Actually,
love your
now I don't have any different or other work. So
okay?
I'm decided that I'm going through this work, and in the future I have planned something to work anything. And so when my plans are implement, then I
Mhm.
this quit this job.
All the best, brother. All the best. First thing, just take a good
Thank you.
experience. Definitely, you will get a handsome job, okay, in future. But it's very
Yeah.
important. Always just look outside. Just observe outside what's going on and where is vacancy, where is interview going on. Just grab a opportunity. We can see. Whenever you get
And
any
if
calls,
you
just
find
send it.
any if you find any work and uh, any interview, then you can send me.
Yeah, of
Always
course, of
welcome.
course.
Yes,
But brother, you are living
we
so far,
we
like
can help like each other, like them.
yeah, of course. But one thing I'm going to tell you, like, do you created your profile picture? Did you created about? Did you upload your profile in social media? We can say like monster.com, naukri.com, and one
And
a guy
Naukri,
shine.com and LinkedIn. Did
I
you
have
create
created.
LinkedIn
I
profile?
have created. I have created in Naukri.com,
Okay. So
and I
what
got
about
all from there.
okay? What about LinkedIn? LinkedIn, it's very genuine platform over there. If you try to fulfill your introduction, your CV, okay, you will get a immediately call. You will get a notification. Then you can find
I
easily job.
saw LinkedIn website uh,
Okay.
on the TV advertisement.
Yeah.
They advertise their website, so I saw.
Why I'm telling? Because LinkedIn is like a right thing. Whatever you mention over there, good experience and good education, whatever you have, if you try to mention, immediately you will get a notification and try to contact with them. Definitely you will get a right job
Yes.
over there. It's like not fake. It's like a real people over there. Even I apply myself, but in this day, like pandemic situation is and lockdown is going on, that's why reason I do not attend that kind of interview. It's
Okay.
difficult for me. But LinkedIn
Yes,
is very beneficial for employee, for like whoever searching a job. You know.
I will install these apps after this, after
Yeah.
completed this conversation, and I
So
make
by
a profile over
yeah,
there.
please make it and upload your profile on LinkedIn application. Okay, it's going to help. Definitely you will get a good notification. Okay, so come to the point. By the way, like what about your English journey? How is going in this day?
Um, it's quite good, uh,
Uh,
but I think I'm not improving
why you are feeling to
because
like I'm not improving? Why?
because I stuck in the such kind of level where I was in before 4 to 5 months ago.
Okay.
No, so
Okay.
I can't reach out where I want to go. So yes, I still am practicing and I try to improve myself every day and try to practice every day. So let's see what happen in the future.
Yeah, of course, if you practice with yourself honestly and like with energy, definitely you will get a like something good result. So don't feel to like I'm not happy with my practice, I'm not happy with my communication, because if you try to demotivate yourself, definitely you will feel too bored and you feel too lazy and you will never try in
Yes,
future time.
I,
So try to passionate, feel to like energy, just crazy about to learning a
so
communication.
brother, I have a question that like
Please.
I have some words, I have some sentences, and this is in my mind. Okay, so when something is asking me any question or anything, so my mind is start to finding this sentence and words, and I try to make sentences and I mean collecting this word and sentence and try to give the answer. So and now what I want that I explore myself in a other way, you know.
Mhm.
So what I'm telling you, this is it's a general for me. I know I'm fumbling, I'm stuck in words, so I know that. But I want to something like I explore something new, something I try to use the new words, new sentence formation. So this is the things I want right now.
Mhm. Okay. So, brother, this is great thing. This is great thing. Whatever you say, just repeat your sentence, repeat your story. Then you will clarify, and it's going to help about your pronunciation, your wording. You will never feel too stuck, and you will never feel too hesitation and fear like that. So, whatever you are thinking, just try to explain yourself in front of in talk to yourself, talk to with your family, your friend circle, anywhere, anytime. Just do it, definitely you will.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And I want your suggestion. What do you think? Where should I need to work more?
Like if you talk about English language, brother, so always I suggest a people, we have to concentrate first thing. Whatever we
Okay.
do, just do honestly, like right now I'm talking with you. So what is the topic and what is a very important, passionate and interest, brother. Like I love to communication, I love to English language, then I try to make a long conversation, then I try to practice a lot, I try to always talk. I know
Okay, so
I
you
become a
practice
talkative person.
with yourself. I think you practice with yourself.
Yeah, I try to make a talkative person, brother, because I love to communication, I love to English language. And if you want to if you want to my opinion, brother, then always I recommend it. Always like if we beginner, if we just try to learn an English language, then we should do some follow some basic rule, basic point, brother. We can say that try to listen more, try to watch more, and if possible then regular basis just practice more and more. Whatever we do, just practice a lots of, brother. like whole day what I did, and what about my next day, my future plan, my next step. Just talk to yourself, mumble yourself. Then you will clarify what I'm speaking, what I'm thinking, and what should I talk, how to I make a long conversation, everything. Because right now this is perfect time to implement, brother. This is perfect to learn any skill. So if you waste your time in this situation, brother, then definitely never happen. It will never help our improvement, because we don't have a job right now. So we can
Mhm.
improve our communication skill very easy way, like try to make a video call,
Yes,
try to have audio call, voice call, video call, whatever, depend on
whatever.
you. And always I prefer to, brother, video call is good option to improve our English
Yes,
language, improve our communication skill.
I
Because
agree
in
with
here
you.
we can see each other, we can make a
And
eye
we can see our,
contact.
yes, eye contact,
Yeah,
where expression. Yes,
yeah, brother. Everything we can improve here about video calling, because we don't have a we don't have a people in real people. That's why reason we shifted about video calling, audio calling. And whatever we have a doubt, we can easily ask with in front of, because you don't know who am I and I don't know who you are. You are living so far, I'm living so far, you know
so
so
far.
we can connect each other. But if you talk about real people, if you talk about our friend circle, and we try to talk with our friend, they will try to mock with us, they will try to troll with us, because they knew that who am I and I knew that
It's
who they are.
happening with me all the time.
Yeah, that's why reason always I prefer to talk to stranger, talk with stranger people. Then they will try to understand, they will try to make a deal, like you don't know me, I don't know you. So we can communicate easily without hesitation, without fear, because we don't know each other. But right now we are having a conversation, we are trying to share our idea, our future plan, our job, everything we are sharing. So this is, we can say, improvement. This is, we are improving together. So this kind of, brother, like always I prefer to, even regular basis I do myself, regular basis. That's
That's
why
good.
reason always
That's good.
I
I
recommended a
try to
beginner.
do, yeah,
Yeah,
I try to do practice with myself regular, but it's
yeah,
not happen with me. But I
okay.
try.
Yeah,
Yes.
try, it's good option, brother. See, like whole day we have a maybe 8 hours to 9 hours. And if we give our time about English environment like 4 hours and 3 hours, this is enough for us. This is enough for us, seriously.
It's
Because if
going.
you practice, if you make a habit, automatically you will feel too comfortable, and automatically you will learn day by day, brother. I know that
Yes.
it will take
It's a long
maybe
journey.
but
Yeah,
depend on
it's a
you.
long journey.
Yeah, it's long journey, brother. It's long journey. Okay.
We
Yeah.
need to understand that first. It's not
Yes.
going to happen in overnight.
And second thing, brother, like if possible, then try to find a good partner, good person.
That is the most difficult thing
Yeah,
that
I know
you
that
also know.
most difficult thing to find a good partner. I know that
Yes.
it's
You can
difficulty, but
find the, you can find the on off online, but you can't find the in your locality or among
yeah,
your
right,
friends.
right. It's not
Because
possible. But
I tried lots of time. That's what I'm saying you. It's my
okay,
experience.
it's not big deal, brother. We can also make a good friend on online through,
We
not
have
regular
to make
basis.
friends like, we have to make the friend like that who can speak English with me, and uh, if he doesn't want to English, then we should try to make them understand that no, you
Yes.
have to know English because it's need for our career and anything. So we have to make them understand.
Yeah, of course, brother. Understanding is very important to each other. If you try to convince a people like brother, sister, can you help me? Because I'm a beginner, I'm new here, and I need help about you. Definitely, whoever interested, those people try to help you. And they are also learning from us. I'm
Yes,
learning
yes.
from you, you are learning from me. So we are
Yeah,
helping each other. And
we
whenever
are
we
helping
try
each other.
talk each other, we will boom our knowledge, our fluency. We can boom our,
Yeah.
like confidence also, brother. You know, yeah.
So do you
Doesn't
have
matter.
friends with
Yeah, tell
whom
me.
talk? Do you have any friend with whom talking in English in your area or in your friend circle?
First, you talk about physically and mentally. I don't have a real friend about English. I don't have a. That's why reason I shifted. I'm learning from online.
Fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
brother. But I'm enjoying, literally I'm enjoying, I'm learning many things, brother. You don't believe me, when I started my English journey, that moment I was feeling too much stuck, but right now I can say I love to communication easily. I can find a person easily. I
Your
can
speaking is
communicate with a
very
stranger.
good.
I love to.
Yeah.
So we can say this is a my power of spirit, brother, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So we can say, brother, like
That's
if you
showing in your
regular.
face.
Yeah, if
Yes,
you regular about practicing, automatically your mind will, feeling relaxed, and automatically day by day you are progressing yourself
yes.
automatically. Yeah,
You have
everything
to
is easy when you feel crazy. Nothing is easy when you feel lazy.
come.
You know?
That's a good quote.
Yeah. So just passionate, just feel about crazy. Just feel about I'm hungry to communication. I love to English language. I'm hungry about conversation. Just feel crazy. Then you can improve. You can learn.
Yes,
You can earn something. Otherwise, if you try to talk to yourself like, oh my God, I'm feeling lazy. Tomorrow I will do. Then tomorrow will
yes,
never come, brother. Tomorrow will never come in our life. If we
yes,
shifted tomorrow, it will never come. Yeah.
yes. And I'm ready to learn new things, and I don't ready to quit this.
Yeah, brother. So
Yeah.
anyway, that was amazing conversation. Seriously, you are doing great job and you are hard worker. All the best. Your next step, okay?
Thank
And
you.
keep going, keep learning, and believe yourself. And just do honestly. Whatever you do, just do honestly. Okay?
And I feel good while I talking to you.
Okay. Me too,
Really.
brother. Yeah, me
Okay.
too. And see you in future, brother. Thank you very much for connecting with
Thank you.
me and giving me your time. And all the best again. Okay?
Thank you.